Aminado ang aktres na si John Marini na hindi niya alam ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon muli ni Gerard Pisaras ng Bell's palsy. Sa isang relay kinuwento ni John na July 31, 2004 nang unang atake ng Bell's palsy si Gerard at ang bandang kaliwang bahagi nga ng mukha nito ang naapektuhan. Nangyari ito noong halos 30 years old si Gerard. Kaya naman nagulat si John na after 21 years, ay muling nagka-Bell's palsy ang kanyang asawa at ang right face naman nito ang tinamaan. Ang Bell's palsy ay isang unexplained episode of facial muscle weakness or paralysis ayon na rin sa Johns Hopkins Medicine. At dahil dito, nagiging tabingi ang mukha ng taong may Bell's palsy. Makikita ang ilang photo ni Gerard noong 2004 at ang atake ng Bell's palsy noong 2025. Ayon sa kwento ni John, 21 years ago, Gerard had Bell's palsy on the left side of his face. And nito lang June 20, 2025, nagka-Bell's palsy siya ulit sa kabilang side naman. Kagagaling lang namin sa grocery when he felt stiffness on the right side of his face. Doon ay kinuwento din ni John na mahigit isang buwan bago nakarecover si Gerard sa Bell's palsy. It took 21 days before he fully recovered at yan ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Was with the number 21. 21 years ago, it took him 1.5 months to fully recover. This time, after just 21 days, he was already back to normal. Siguro tinatanong nyo bakit nga ba siya nagka-Bell's palsy ulit? Mukha naman siyang healthy, very fit, and for his age na almost 50, yung BP niya, pang-bagets, 110/70. Kaya naibahagi din ni John na hindi pa rin malinaw sa kanya ang dahilan ng Bell's palsy attack muli kay Gerard. Honestly, hindi rin namin alam kung bakit. Basta ang alam namin, number 1, we wanted to deal with it as privately as possible. And number 2, we also wanted to do the holistic or alternative approach. Hindi kami nagmukmok. Tuloy na tuloy ang buhay namin. Our optimism as a family definitely came from the source of peace, Jesus Christ. Doon ay kinuwento ni John na may gamot na inireseta at dinagdagan nila ang dosage ng vitamins para sa asawa. Kwento ni John, 3 times a week yung acupuncture namin. 21 days, just 21 days, that's how amazing God is. He is our ultimate healer talaga. And we're thankful that He led us to the healthcare providers na talagang swak na swak sa amin. Sa isang post ay ipinakita din ni John ang acupuncture session ni Gerard. Kwento niya, Gerard needs regular acupuncture treatments for lumbar pain, allergic rhinitis, and today, facial acupuncture to address the weakness of his facial muscles caused by his bout with Bell's palsy. Even if you don't have those conditions, you can still benefit from getting acupuncture treatments. Dagdag pa ni John, ang natural and integrative medicine ay ginagawa nila for the last 20 years. Gerard and I have been learning on natural and integrative medicine for almost 20 years now, and it's been such a big part of our wellness journey. It's really encouraging to see more places now embracing a holistic approach to health, just like we always hope for. Marami naman ang bumilib sa relasyon ng mag-asawa na talagang sinusubok ng panahon at laging nagsusuportahan. Last May 2025 ay nagdaos ang kanilang 25th wedding anniversary si John at Gerard at biniyayaan nga sila ng 2 anak, sina Rian at Rain. Si Rian ay 24 years old na, samantalang si Rain ay 19. Nagkakilala ang dalawa sa set ng ABS-CBN TV series na Mula sa Puso at Ikinasal noong May 2020. Samantala, umaasa naman si John at Gerard na makakatulong ang kanilang story sa mga taong may ganito ding pinagdadaanan at maging informed din about health ang bawat supporters nila. Praying for full healing and recovery naman ang pinapaabot ng kanilang mga fans.